Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Marcelina here. Today I'm sharing a tough lesson I learned the hard way. If you have ever lost a plant that you nurtured from the very start, you know how heartbreaking it can be. And that is exactly what happened with my earlier magnolia. Let me take you through what went wrong so you can avoid making the same mistake. Here's the biggest mistake. I have this magnolia tree that I started with so much excitement. I decided to grow it in container to keep it close and ensure it received the best care. Throughout the spring and summer, it thrived. The leaves were lush. The growth was steady. It was truly a rewarding experience. And then winter came and look, it is heartbreaking. This experience alone taught me a critical lesson that I want to share with you guys. So today we are going to earlier our magnolia tree again and being careful not to repeat the same mistake. So let's do this. To earlier a magnolia tree, select a healthy branch. And this is the branch I'm going to propagate because it is crossing over. Make 1 inch cut around it. And next, create a second cut from top down below. Connect these two cuts between them by making a vertical incision. Peel off the bark to expose the cambium. Okay, I'm going to apply a rooting hormone. This step is optional, but it helps the branch to begin to root, meaning it speed up the propagation process. It is a kind of dry, so I'm going to spray it so the powder will stick to it. I am using a clamshell to earlier my magnolia tree, and I fill with moist potting mix as my substrate. I'm going to face the black side towards the sun to share the propagation. To To secure the clamshell from opening and sliding off the branch, I'm going to tie with zip tie.
Can you see roots in there yet?
Okay, so we secured the clamshell. Now I'm going to clip these bobbins below so it doesn't slide off. Alright, now it's secured. The rotting time takes about 3 months. Now let's go ahead, let's take a look or check our propagation. We had a propagation from 3 months ago and see if it is rotting. Alright guys, so this is the propagation I had last 3 months, and let's see if it is rooting. I cannot see here. Let's see at the back. I think this is the root. Oh yeah, it's rooting. Look at that. It doesn't. I think it does. Oh yeah, look at that guys. Let's take this off and I will show you if the roots. Oh, okay. Okay, so we successfully rooted our ear-layered magnolia, as you can see, if you can see like that. And here's the root, and here's another one. So let's pot this up. So I am making my own soil for my magnolia tree, 2 to 1 ratio, 2 parts potting mix, 1 part sand, and 1 part AIDS compost. So I use the organic peat and mix this together. This is going to provide good drainage for my plants. I'm going to fill this 3-gallon container with potting mix halfway. Look at that guys, look at that. It's beautiful. So I will take this sucker here out. Okay, I will place this in the center and add extra soil. I will hold off the fertilization this time for 3 days until the plant settled in. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you are enjoying this video and you want to see more contents like this, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know that you guys love what I'm doing. And it takes just a second and makes a world of difference. So smash the like button and let's keep the good vibes going. Thank you for the support. Now let's talk a little bit what went wrong with my earlier magnolia. My biggest mistake was understanding how vulnerable container-grown magnolias are during winter, especially young ones like my new earlier magnolia. I left the tree outside during winter months thinking that it would be fine since magnolias are generally hardy. The other things that I did not consider, the new developing roots in container are more exposed to the cold than the wood on the ground. Without the insulation that the ground provides, the roots in container froze, and unfortunately it didn't make it. So this time I make sure I don't repeat the same mistake. I have to bring this plant indoor during winter months. I keep them in container because I sell the plants. So if you guys earlier your magnolias, the best bet is to grow directly on the ground because they are more protected on the ground. Just add few layers of wood chips around the base to protect the roots from freezing cold. So I hope this video is helping you guys. So let's wrap this up and thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel, Marcelina at cashewgreens.com. See you next time. Peace out.